Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please click on the subscribe button and make sure you click on the bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And while you are doing that, please click on the like button and of course leave a comment. I will appreciate that. In today's video, I'll be telling you guys about how to use a credit card to your advantage or a smart way to use your credit card. If you are planning on getting a credit card, then this is the video for you. And if you're already having a credit card and you find it difficult to use it or you don't know how to use it, this is also the video for you. There are a lot of reasons why people apply for credit cards. Some of the reasons can be to increase your credit score, instant money for emergency purposes, rewards, travel purposes. You know why you want a credit card. The first thing you should know before applying for a credit card is that you should do your own research about your bank card's policies. Very important, guys. And the second most important thing that you have to look before applying for a credit card is that you should be financially ready to have a credit card. Why am I saying financially ready? We all know how credit cards work. You use it and you pay. So if you're the type of person that loves to receive and not to give, think about you getting a credit card or not. Think about it very well. But then again, you have to be financially ready. Because guess what? If you don't pay on time, the bank does not listen to excuses. That's between you and your money. You have to pay the bank. So if you're not financially ready, have a second thought of getting a credit card or not. Avoid spending more than you can pay for any month, guys. And trust me, you enjoy using your credit card. Consider your credit card as your own personal loan. Use your credit card for needs and not wants. When I'm saying needs, what do I mean by needs? If in case you don't know what a need is something that you cannot do without. For example, water, shelter, and stuff like that you cannot do without. And wants are things that improve the quality of your life. Example can be expensive bags, luxury cars, you know what I mean? Yeah. Never skip payment. Pay your bill every month. No matter how small you have, try to pay little by little before the due date. Because if you don't pay on time, you're going to pay late fees, penalty interest rates, and that is going to impact your credit score if you are trying to build it. So please try and pay on time. If you are buying a bag for $500 and you do not have the $500 right there, the moment you swipe your credit card, just have in mind, I need to be saving $50 maybe every 2 days or maybe every week before the due date and pay. Read your card agreement. Be sure to read and understand the customer credit card agreement. By doing this, you're going to understand and know what will be coming up in terms of interest rate and policies. So it is important to read that. Use rewards cards. It is very smart to use a card that offers rewards. Rewards can be cash, airline miles, or even retail points. So before you apply or you already have your credit card, make sure they have that program of rewards. That will be a smart way to swipe your card. And at the end, you will know that there's something delicious or sweet coming. Make sure you check your credit card statement online or if you receive it through the mail. It is very important to do that. That will help you recognize any unknown transaction. And of course, if you see any unknown transaction, you can let the bank know that it was not you and they are going to investigate. And since they are using a credit card and the money in the credit card is theirs, they will make sure they trace whosoever used it and put the money back. That does not mean that you should give your card to a friend and then call the bank and tell them, hey, that was not me. It doesn't work that way. By doing everything that I mentioned earlier, trust me, you'll be enjoying using your credit card. If you were doubting if you wanted to get a credit card or not, after watching this video, I hope you get the right decision. And if you are going for it, make sure you follow the steps I just gave you, the tips I gave you, and then enjoy using your credit card. I hope we all learned something today. I'll be making more videos about different types of credit cards and which one you can get if you're a student, if you're a stay-at-home mom or dad, and many more. So stay tuned, subscribe to this channel if you have not done that, like this video, and of course, share. I'll see you guys in my next video.